Hi, how are you today? Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to show you two different ways of making coconut milk, and you choose which one you prefer or which one is easier for you to make and which ingredients are more easily accessible to you. We also get to find out, can we really take cereal with coconut milk? Stick around. Now you'll notice that once the coconut milk settles down, it divides into two, this part and this. I want you to know that this is normal. Yeah? So I like to use mine immediately once I make it, but you can decide to stop, which is fine. And once this happens, you can always heat it and use it again. Something else. I'm told that you can use coconut milk in cereal. I've always been reluctant to try that, but what kind of food you could give me if you do not try? So I have my Weetabix here. Let's add some coconut milk. Looks like the ordinary milk. I'll add some sugar. This is actually so good, and you're sure it's healthy because it's from natural coconut. I really love it. I love it. So I can confidently say you can use the coconut milk in your cereal. You will love it. I promise.